What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Opera browser. So the first thing that we want to do is to go to top right of our browser, and here as you can see we have the easy setup. We're gonna click on it like so. Now we're gonna scroll down till we see go to full browser settings. We're gonna click on it. Here what we want to do is to go to privacy and security tab like so. And the first option that we have is delete browsing data. We're gonna click on it. Now we can delete it by basic function, in which we can set the time range, for example last hour or all time. We can delete the browsing history, cookies and other site data or cached images, or we can do the advanced mode and we can delete more things like password and other sign-in data, autofill form data, and so on. So after you decide what you want to use, you're going to click on delete data. And as you can see, now we deleted the cache data from our browser. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.